Hey, welcome back to Dummy Tech Talks. Today we have a good one. So, as you might have known now, we are from Florida. Mosquitoes are really, they suck.
There's the screen here keeping them out.
Yes. So,
not everywhere.
And we're filming at night just for this unboxing. It's so great. So, we are gonna unbox a mosquito catcher killer.
You might have seen a lot of ads for this on like Facebook or different apps here and there. We decided to buy it and try it.
I like that. Buy it and try it.
That way you don't have to, or we can tell you it's worth it. One of the two. Packaging was slightly damaged. It was in a bigger box when we first got it. Well, actually like a bag thing. But yeah, it was slightly damaged. I don't think it's going to affect the actual product.
Smaller than I thought it was going to be.
This is
Whoa.
And here, compared to my phone. So it's an average size smart. It's a Droid Moto Z3. You've seen a couple of videos on it if you've watched our channel, but so it's not very big. As advertised, it's supposed to have like a light in there and then like a suction, probably a fan down here blowing it down. And then this is supposed to catch all the mosquitoes. So
let's see what the lights do. Oh!
So that's supposed to attract mosquitoes.
It's a black light.
Stuff. It's pulling in this plastic. It's not very strong, but you know, if it works, great. We're gonna actually let it run overnight outside. So for the build quality, it seems pretty sturdy. It's just regular hard plastic, nothing crazy. The fan, it's like a 40mm fan in there. It looks like it'd be easy to take apart and clean. There's only 2 screws holding the bottom in.
It's not too cheap though, because I mean,
yeah,
cheap plastic's hard. This stuff's kind of pliable, you know, it moves. So that's good. We're gonna run it through the test tonight, and then we're gonna show you guys what it does. All right, guys. Well, here is the mosquito catcher killer
that we've been testing
for a whole weekend. We just said we'll just let it run, see what happens. So
not gonna kill it.
We did set it on the porch outside with a not screened enclosure.
Right.
So
we just plugged it in here, just
let it roam.
Yeah, just to let you see it. But
still working. So that's a good sign. We're gonna show you what is in here. I mean, it caught bugs. I don't see a mosquito.
Ooh, some of them are still alive.
Yeah.
I mean, it didn't do a terrible job, but
no.
It also didn't do a great job.
It didn't catch mosquitoes,
which is the goal. I'm also gonna suggest a couple of things.
Put this back on. These bugs are still alive.
Yeah, they're not all dead. We aren't sponsored by anybody at all for anything, but I have been using these products. These are Thermacells for years, and they work wonders. If you're looking for bug repellent instead of an attractor, because that sucks them in and everything attracts them and sucks them in, I suggest the Thermacell instead. This one's made for a porch. You know, it just...
Yeah, it looks cool.
Yeah.
It's pretty.
And it stores little extra pads and stuff in the bottom, which is nice. And this one is more for personal use. You use it for hiking or really any outdoor personal activity. So I suggest these over that.
They're way better.
They keep them from getting to you, whereas that one attracts them and then tries to trap them.
Yeah, but I didn't see one mosquito in there.
A lot of winged ants.
Winged ants and moths.
So I do not suggest it. Again, Thermacell, if you're gonna go for
I mean, it's got a cool light.
It does look really cool at night too.
Cool. And I guess would you say you can use it like in a screened enclosure for like moths?
And that way, any bugs that do come in, hopefully, will get trapped. And then it's just out of sight, out of mind. You don't have to worry about refueling it like you do with these. They've got little tubes of fuel. Yeah, I didn't realize it, but I got that for $40. Don't suggest it.
Don't.
It's a waste of money.
Don't do it. Don't do it. I hope that helps, guys. I mean, like Travis said
a couple days ago,
we buy it to try it.
You don't have to, or so you can.
We tried it and we don't recommend. All right, hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't subscribed.